Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Leche Flan. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 10 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk. For the caramel, prepare 1 cup of granulated sugar. Make sure you also have an anura, which is a traditional oval-shaped mold, or any other heat-proof molds ready for steaming. These simple items are the foundation for a truly delightful dessert. Now, let's create that beautiful, golden caramel base. Take 1 cup of granulated sugar and melt it directly in your anura or molds over low heat. Watch it carefully until it turns a rich, amber color. Gently swirl the mold to evenly coat the bottom and a little up the sides. Once coated, set it aside to cool completely. This hardened caramel will form the delicious top layer of your flan. Next, we'll prepare the creamy custard. In a bowl, gently whisk your 10 egg yolks. The key here is to avoid incorporating too much air, which can create unwanted bubbles. Gradually pour in 1 can of condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk, mixing until just combined. For an incredibly silky texture, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into your caramel-lined molds. This step ensures a perfectly smooth flan. Finally, it's time to steam our Leche Flan to perfection. Place your molds in a steamer over simmering water. Steam for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until the custard is set but still has a slight jiggle in the center. Once cooked, let it cool completely at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. When ready, carefully invert the chilled flan onto a serving plate. Enjoy your homemade, delightful Leche Flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.